Hello and welcome to Lip Code, where we decode every shade, trend, and secret in the world of lips. Today, we are diving into one of the most talked about beauty battles of 2025, cherry versus rose lips. Two beautiful colors, two completely different moods, and one major question. Which one will rule this year's lip trend showdown? Let us find out together. First, let us talk about the shade that never goes unnoticed, cherry lips. Rich, deep, and vibrant, cherry tones are the definition of bold confidence. They bring warmth, energy, and a touch of mystery. Whether you prefer a glossy cherry finish or a velvety matte look, this shade instantly transforms your face. It brightens your smile, enhances your features, and gives that perfect pop of color that feels powerful yet elegant. Cherry lips are inspired by the classic red family but lean slightly deeper, with a hint of berry. That makes them more modern, wearable, and suitable for both day and night. They are the go-to shade for those who want to make a confident impression without going over the top. In 2025, cherry lips are being paired with minimalist eye makeup, dewy skin, and soft blush for that effortlessly bold vibe everyone loves. Now, on the other side of the trend, we have the soft and romantic rose lips. Rose shades are all about subtle beauty. They add freshness, charm, and natural elegance to your face. Rose lipstick is perfect for people who want to highlight their natural lip tone while adding a gentle flush of color. Think of rose lips as your everyday confidence shade, timeless, graceful, and always appropriate. Rose lips come in many variations, from nude rose and dusty pink to deep rosewood. In 2025, makeup artists are calling rose tones the new neutral. They match any skin tone and fit any occasion. Whether you are at work, on a date, or out with friends, rose lips always deliver that polished, soft glam look without feeling too dramatic. So, how do you choose between cherry and rose? Let us break it down by mood and personality. If you love making a statement and expressing strength, cherry lips are for you. They say, I am confident, fearless, and bold. Perfect for evenings, events, or any time you want to stand out. If your style is more soft, graceful, and romantic, go with rose lips. They say, I am elegant, fresh, and effortlessly chic. Perfect for everyday wear, brunches, and light daytime looks. But there is more to consider. Skin tone and undertone also play a big role. For fair skin, go with bright cherry reds or soft rose pinks. For medium skin, rich cherry hues and warm rosewood shades look stunning. For deep skin, dark cherry, plum rose, and mauve tones create a bold yet balanced finish. No matter your tone, both cherry and rose can be customized to flatter your unique complexion. Here are a few pro tips to master both shades. Always start by exfoliating and moisturizing your lips. Smooth lips help both cherry and rose colors look even more beautiful. For cherry lips, line your lips with a matching lip pencil. It defines your shape and prevents bleeding. Apply your lipstick, then blot once with tissue for a perfect, lasting finish. For rose lips, skip the heavy liner and use a lip brush or your fingertip to blend the color naturally. This creates a soft, blurred effect that feels effortless. Add gloss to the center of your lips for dimension and shine. This works beautifully for both colors. Now, the big question, which trend wins in 2025? According to beauty experts, this year is not about choosing one over the other. It is about mood switching. Cherry for bold, confident days. Rose for calm, romantic days. Both shades are sharing the spotlight and redefining how we express ourselves through color. Before we finish, here is something important to remember. The best lip color is not about the trend, the brand, or the finish. It is about how it makes you feel. Whether you wear cherry or rose, own it with confidence. That inner glow is what makes any color look truly beautiful. Thank you for watching Lip Code. If you enjoyed this showdown, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and tap the notification bell. New videos drop every few days, featuring viral lip looks, lipstick hacks, and trend breakdowns you will not want to miss. Until next time, keep shining, keep experimenting, and remember, your lips are the code to your confidence.